Hi everyone, this is Corvus AI, and India's first loan intelligence platform built for borrowers who often apply blindly to get rejected without knowing why. In India, users compare loan interest rates, but they usually do not know their approval probability, hidden costs, or which lender actually fits their profile. Corvus solves that by estimating eligibility before the user applies. Corvus collects the basic borrower's profile. The important fields are age, city, employment type, income, and existing EMI burden. These inputs help calculate repayment capacity and lender compatibility. Covus supports three ways to analyze a borrower. Quick estimate give a fast provisional score from declared data. Manual snapshots add more financial context. CSV upload creates a verified score using blank statement transaction. This is important because many Indian borrowers do not have strong bureau history, but they may still have useful cash flow signals. Once the analysis starts, the backend sends the profile and financial data to the AI service. The system calculates trust score, debt to income ratio, repayment confidence, risk category, and lender fit. The scoring layer is deterministic and explainable, so the result is not a black box. This is the core product experience. Instead of showing random loan ads, Covus ranks lenders by approval probability and fit. Each lender card shows approval chance, rate range, loan amount, tenure, processing fees, disbursal speed, and reasoning. For example, a digital NBFC may have higher approval probability for a thin file borrower, while a private bank may offer better rates but requires stronger credit history. This helps the user avoid unnecessary applications and potential credit score damage from blind hard inquiries. One major differentiator is thin file routing. Many Indian users have limited or no civil history, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Covus can still estimate financial trust using declared data or bank statement patterns. Then route, uh, then route users towards lenders that are more likely to accept thin file profiles. Covus also explained why a borrower received a particular score. The explainability report shows weighted factors such as income stability, EMI discipline, balance behavior, and spend consistency. It also gives positive drivers, risk factors, and practical improvement steps. This makes the platform transparent and trust building instead of just saying approved or rejected. Technically, Covas has three services. The front end is built with React and White. The backend is built with Go. The Covas AI is not just a loan comparison app. It is a loan intelligence layer for India designed to help borrowers understand approval chances, compare real borrowing costs, and find lenders that actually fit their profile. The V1 focuses on personal loans, but the same engine can later expand it to MSME credit, gig worker loans, student loans, and rural lendings. The goal is simple: make credit access smarter, more transparent, and more inclusive. Thank you.